Hello friends, welcome to another series of video tutorial on Appium. This is the first session of this series. In today's session, we will go through the introduction of Appium. As you know, the use of mobile devices has increased drastically in the recent past, and there are many apps being created every day, and there is a need for testing these apps before it gets released to the customers. There are a lot of automation tools available for desktop applications and web applications, and Appium can be used for mobile applications. There are many mobile automation testing tools available in the market. Some of them are paid and some of them are open source, but Appium, if you consider Appium, the advantage of Appium is it is open source. You don't have to pay for the license, and it is a mobile automation tool since it can be used for different mobile applications. It also supports multiple languages like Java, Ruby, Python, PHP, C Sharp. The other advantage is it supports cross-platform. That means Appium automation tool can be used across iOS as well as Android applications. So there are two major OS which are available in the current scenario, which is iOS and Android, and most of the applications are developed either on iOS or Android, and Appium supports both. Appium also supports native, hybrid, as well as web applications, that is mobile web applications. So we will see what is the difference between a native, hybrid, and web apps. And Appium uses Selenium WebDriver. If you are aware of Selenium, picking up Appium is very easy. The other advantage of Appium is it has been widely used as mobile automation tool for quite some time, and there is a lot of community support for Appium. If you are stuck with anything, then there is a lot of community support which you can get because it has been widely used across the industry. In short, what is Appium? Appium is an open source cross-platform mobile automation tool, and it supports native, hybrid, and mobile web applications. And by using Appium, we can run the test on either actual device or emulator or simulators.